You have the Nokia, this is the X100, and you've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You don't know what to do. Double check that we have the exact same phone. X100 looks like this. I got you. We can reset the phone with the external buttons. It takes a very special pattern, but we'll get it, and then you'll be able to log back in with your Google or Gmail account, and then you'll be able to reset your screen lock. Let's get started. All right, to reset our phone, we have to power it off first. So we're going to power off, and then pay special attention to how we have to do a handful of things in the right order. So we're going to start with volume up and power at the same time. So let's hold volume up, power. We're going to keep holding. We're going to see the Android come up, and as soon as it disappears, we're going to let go of power, but keep holding with volume up. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Now let go, but keep holding with the volume up. Keep holding, keep holding. Android's going to show up again. Keep holding, and we've got the no command fallen Android. Now from here, we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and now we're at the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, we can scroll down to wipe data and factory reset. Wait right here because the warning didn't pop up on the screen. There's two things you need to know. Number one, 100% if you've set up your phone with your Google or Gmail account, especially if you've turned on any security, Find My Device, you 100% still will need to log in with your Google or Gmail account. The second thing you need to know is that it erases absolutely everything, all pics, all apps, all contacts, everything except for the Google security. So with that said, let's push power for OK. And then here we go, we get confirmation, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Scroll down with volume, factory data reset, press power for OK. And depending on your phone, this may take a few minutes or many minutes or just a few seconds to get the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Reboot by pressing power for OK. If this has helped you, please subscribe and watch this video next.